Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome, /netinternals/#DNS so you can act immediately. Once there, use clear host cache to force fresh lookups. This removes stale DNS entries and explains why sites reload slowly. While you're watching the host resolver cache, note TTL values and current IP mappings so you know what changed. Make sure to leave a browser tab open for further steps. This prevents Chrome from reclaiming state and lets you compare before and after results. Once done with the initial clear, inspect individual DNS entries and their timestamps to understand lookup behavior. You can add host resolver rules to forcibly map names to addresses for targeted testing. This helps isolate browser issues from network problems. While testing, monitor socket pools and any DNS probe status to see if Chrome retries or triggers network probes, because that affects latency and failure modes. Make changes incrementally. Test one variable at a time so you can attribute effects accurately. To finish, verify that loaded sites match the IPs shown in the host resolver cache and confirm TTL behavior by reloading pages. If cleared entries persist or look wrong, restart Chrome and flush the operating system DNS cache so both browser and OS state align. As a single key troubleshooting tip, if DNS failures continue, restart the system DNS service or temporarily disable Quick in Chrome, //flags to rule out protocol-level quirks. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.